Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this black and silver rhinestone cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Smashbox 24-hour eye primer. And then I'm taping off the edges of my eyes. Then I'm using the Warrior 2 palette for the black shade. And here I'm using it to create the crease shape, making it winged at the edges. Then to cut the crease, I'm going to be using makeup remover to create the shape I want. And then I'm going to go over that with a concealer. Then on the eyelids, I start using a dark gray matte shade on the outer edges. And then I start blending that in towards the middle. Then I'm using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette for the white shade that also has some sparkles in it. And I'm going to be putting that in the inner eye corners. And I'm using a liquid eyeliner to create a wing. Then I'm using some rhinestones for the cut crease. I'm going to be applying them with eyelash glue. And I'm going to be putting them right on top of the cut crease line. Next, I'm adding mascara, and I'll top this with false lashes. Next, I'll be using black eyeliner in the waterline. For the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay lipstick in the shade Voyager. And that completes this black and silver rhinestone cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.